This data from 2011 tracks cycling participation across 5 age brackets, showing females recorded higher rates than males in every category. The figures follow a distinct U-curve. Participation is highest in childhood, declines through middle age, then sees a slight recovery among seniors. The starting point for this curve, children aged 0 to 9, marks the absolute peak of overall cycling participation. In this group, bicycle use is almost identical between genders, with females at 51.4% and males at 50.3%. At this earliest stage, cycling is a near-universal activity for both genders, setting a high baseline before participation rates begin to diverge. A sharp divergence occurs in the 10 to 17 age bracket, where the gender gap reaches its widest point in the dataset. Female participation remains high at 42.2%, but the male figure falls to 24.6%. In this age group, girls cycle at nearly double the rate of boys. These figures identify the teenage years as the primary point where male cycling habits drop significantly below those of their female peers. Participation continues to drop in adulthood. Among those aged 18 to 39, female participation falls to 17.1%, while males represent only 9.7%. The downward trend reaches its lowest point in the 40 to 59 group, where male participation falls to 8.0% and female participation to 12.3%. Because this demographic marks the absolute nadir of the dataset, it represents the group requiring the most significant change to return to earlier ridership levels. The final phase of the life cycle curve shows a rebound in cycling among seniors aged 60 and older. In this bracket, female participation rises to 18.5% and male participation reaches 13.2%. While these rates are lower than those of children or teenagers, they are higher than the middle-aged figures, showing a modest revival of cycling in later life. The complete dataset shows that across every stage of the life cycle, the gap remains constant. Women consistently cycle more than men. Mapping these age-driven fluctuations and persistent gender differences is essential for developing targeted urban cycling infrastructure. For expert English language training and comprehensive exam preparation, reach out to our dedicated team today.